How to remove stains on mattress using hydrogen peroxide by Ian's Cleaning Services. Stains may decolorize and contaminate your mattress fabric, leading to the growth of various germs and bacteria. Presence of moisture can lead to the formation of mold. Avoid the after effects of staining by taking care of routine mattress cleaning and mattress stain removal as soon as possible. You can also follow this simple guide for mattress stain removal using hydrogen peroxide. Things you will need: hydrogen peroxide, an empty spray bottle, a brush or a plain cloth, mild soap or detergent, hair dryer, optional. Steps for mattress stain removal. Step 1. In the case of fresh staining, you should instantly use a cloth to dab the stain and absorb all the extra fluid and avoid the spreading of stain. Remove solid hard pieces of stain with the cloth and keep the stained surface free of dust. Step 2. Take an empty spray bottle and add the required amount of hydrogen peroxide. Spray this peroxide over to the stains on the mattress and leave it as it is for half an hour. It will break the bonds between the mattress and stain particles and help remove stickiness around the stain. Step 3. After the stain patch is dry, you will see that the stain is gone. A visible discoloration of the mattress fabric is common. Use a wet cloth rinsed and detergent water solution and use it to rub the discolored part without spreading it. Keep rubbing till the stain is completely clean. Step 4. Put your mattress under a fan and dry it naturally. Or you can use a hair dryer to dry the particular wet part of the mattress. Keeping the temperature and speed low, blow warm air over to the wet stain and repeat to let it dry completely. Hire professional cleaning service. We at Ian's Cleaning Services works in the field of providing professional mattress cleaning services to its customers round the clock. Our team of experts utilize efficient tools and machinery to deliver you routine mattress cleaning. Hire us today and avail our service at an affordable cost and get guaranteed results within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Contact us to hire professionals services.